Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video on why fix something that is not broken. Today I want to make a pasta dish called Cacio e Pepe, but with instant noodle instead again. This dish will need butter, pecorino romano, a type of cheese that is made with sheep milk, pepper, olive oil, and of course, instant noodle. Let's get started! First thing we are going to do is grate the cheese until you have around 200 grams. Let's grate and grate. Continue to grate. Keep grating. Give it a quick tap and you are done. Cut around 2 tablespoons of butter and set it aside. The main idea around this dish is to cook the instant noodle in cheese water and let the noodle absorb the cheese water until it is al dente. Let's start by boiling some water in a small pan. When the water starts to boil, add some olive oil, butter, a little bit of pepper, and around half the amount of the cheese that you grated. And there you have it, the cheese water we will be cooking the instant noodle in. Here's the most important tip about this dish. Don't stop stirring the liquid. If you let the liquid sit too long, the cheese will clump up, making it harder for the noodle to absorb the cheese. Add the noodle into the mixture and keep stirring and stirring and stirring. Don't stop stirring. If you notice that there's too much liquid left, pour it out to a bowl. And continue to keep stirring and stirring until the noodle is al dente and the liquid is absorbed into the noodle. Transfer the noodle to a plate. Top it off with some of the grated cheese that you had left. And add some extra black pepper on top to taste. And there you have it, Cacio e Pepe instant noodle. Give it a quick mix and eat it right away. I don't want to brag, but this dish is amazing. The noodle absorbs all the flavor from the cheese mixture and creates a creamy sauce that coats all strands of the noodle, making each bite cheesy and delicious. It can be a little salty, and I would not suggest eating this every day due to health concerns, but it is such a delicious dish, and it's so easy to make that anyone can enjoy this once in a while. Again, thanks for sticking with me, and I hope you enjoyed this dish too if you try it. Let me know what you think will also work with instant noodle in the comments, and I hope to see you again next time.